everyone. Welcome to our podcast. Today, and I am with my friend Ferdi. Today, we will discuss a very interesting topic. Our topic is: should smoking be allowed on campus? Many students have a different opinion about this issue. Some people agree and some people disagree. Let's hear both sides. Hello, Fer. How are you today?
Hello, Paul. I'm fine, thank you, and thank you for inviting me in your podcast. And I'm happy to be here.
Okay. Thank you for coming, Ferdi. Let's start our discussion.
Yes.
Mm, some students think smoking should be allowed on campus. Why do you think they have this opinion?
Yeah, I think some student believe smoking in a personal choice, and adults have to right to decide themselves. As some students smoke, and because they feel stress after class or exam,
Yep.
and some students too smoking helps them feel relaxed for a short time.
Okay. Do you think the campus should allow smoking everywhere?
No, I don't think so. I think smoking should only be low in a special smoking area,
Yeah.
and the smoking area should be outside the classroom and
Hmm?
away from the other student.
Oh, okay. Can you give me example?
Yes, for the example, a student finish a exam and wants to smoke, he
Yep.
can go to the smoking area in campus, and he does not disturb other student,
Yep.
and this is a more respectful.
Okay. Now let's talk about the other side, maybe, right?
Yes,
Why do many people think smoking should not be allowed on campus?
there are many reasons, and first, smoking is bad for healthy,
Yeah.
and cigarette smoke can harm the smoker and other people nearby. And second, many students this doesn't not like this smell of cigarette,
Yep.
and it can make them feel uncomfortable.
Oh, okay. So how about passive smoker?
Yes, passive smoker is are people who do not smoke but breath cigarette smoke. This is
Yeah.
dangerous,
Yeah.
and they can also have health problems. Everyone
Mm.
has the right the breath clean air.
Oh, okay. Do you think smoking affects the image of the campus?
Yes, I do. University should be a health and clean
Yes.
place,
Yeah. Yeah.
and if many students smoke everywhere, visitors may think the campus does not care about health. It is
Oh,
not a
right.
good image.
Yeah. Now let's discuss the impacts of smoking. How does smoking affect to student?
Smoking has a many negative effect,
Yeah.
and it can damage the lungs and the heart. Students may become addict to
Yeah.
cigarette, and they spend money
Yeah.
and on cigarette
Exactly.
instead on books or food,
Mm.
and this is not good for student.
Yep. Oh, okay. How does smoking affect to academic environment? What
Yeah,
do you think?
it can make the campus dirty,
Yeah.
and smokers to cigarette butts on the ground,
Yeah.
and the smell of smoke can enter classroom, and student many lose concentration during class,
Mm.
and Teachers may also feel uncomfortable, and a clean environment helps and students learn better.
Oh, can smoking influence to other students?
Can yes, some new students may copy their friends, and if they see many people smoking,
Yep.
they may think smoking is normal, and this is increase the number of smoking on campus.
Okay. So before we move to question, let's have short message from our sponsor. And today, we podcast is sponsored by Oasis Mineral Water. Learning is easier when your body is healthy and hydrated. Oasis Mineral Water gives you clean, fresh, and safe drinking water for your daily activity. Take Oasis to campus, at work, and anywhere you go.
Stay fresh, stay healthy, and choose Oasis mineral water.
Okay, let's drink.
Okay. Mm,
Thank you, Oasis,
thanks.
for supporting the podcast today. Now let's go back to our discussion, okay?
Yes.
And in your opinion, what is the best solution?
I think
Yeah.
the university should make clear rules.
Yep.
And smoking should not be allowed near classroom and libraries, canteen, cafeterias,
Yep.
and public areas. And if necessary, the university can build maybe one smoking area far from the main building.
Okay. So the university also educate the student?
Yes, the university should give information about the dangers of smoking. There can be seminars maybe and poster and healthy campaigns.
Yep.
And students should understand the risks about before they choose to make smoking in campus area. Education is very important condition.
Okay. Thank you for opinion, Ferdi.
Yes.
Before we finish, can you give your final option?
Of
Opinion.
course. Yes, of course. I respect everyone' personal
Yeah.
choice. However, I believe smoking should not be low and in public areas on campus.
Yeah.
And the campus should be a healthy place for learning, and a special smoking
Yeah.
area is a fair solution because it respect good smokers and non-smokers.
Okay, I agree with you. Everyone should respect to each other, and healthy campus create a better learning environment for our students. Thank you for joining our podcast today, Ferdi.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you for everyone. See you in the next podcast. Bye.
Goodbye. Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. My name is Freddy, and today we will talk about interesting topic: why university should learn English. And many university students think English is difficult, and but English is very important for education and future careers. And today I have a special guest with me. Hello, Pauline. How are you today?
Hello, Ferdi. Thank you for inviting me,
Yes.
and I'm doing great and happy to be here.
Great. Let's start with our first question.
Okay.
Why do you think English is important higher education?
Okay. I think English is very important because many books or journals and research articles are writing in English. According to a Crystal 2003, in his book, uh, English as a global language. English is the international language used to in education, science, and communication. And if university students understand English, they can read more academic students, material, and learn new knowledge
Mm,
from many countries.
this is a very good point.
Yeah.
So student can access more information if they know English. And you can give another example.
Yep. Yes, of course. Many university also use English textbooks and international journal. Yeah. According to UNESCO, English help students connect with global knowledge and international education. Students who understand English can join international camp seminar, exchanger programs, and online course from famous university.
Wow, this is very interesting for me. And now, now, we let's talk about careers and why is English important for the future
Yeah.
job maybe.
Yeah, I think English is very useful and for future career because many companies needs employees and who can communicate with English. According to the British Council, English is one of the most important. It's skill for today global workplace. Many international company use English for meetings, emails, and business communication. If students have a good English skill, they have more opportunity to get better job and higher salary.
Wow, I agree with you, Colin. Today, many companies also have international clients, and so English is not only for a school but also for work. And now let's discuss technology. What is the role English in communication and technology?
Hmm, English in everywhere in technology. Most website, computer software, mobile application, and online learning platform use English.
Yes.
According to Gradle 2060, and English is the mainly used on the internet and in global communication. When students understand English,
Yeah.
they can use technology more effectively and learn new digital skills. For example, many free courses on YouTube and Coursera and Google are available in English.
That's true. Technology and English work together.
Yep.
And student can learn programming, business, communication, and many other skills through. And before we finish, do you have any advice for university students? Pauline?
Yes. My advice is simple. Don't be afraid to learn English. Practice a little every day. Read book, to watch English videos,
Oh.
listen to podcasts, and speak with your friend. Making mistake is normal. The more you practice, the better your English will become.
So don't be afraid to learn English.
Yeah.
And
True.
thank you for very much for your wonderful explanation.
Okay.
And today we learned the English is important because it's a student.
Yep.
One
True.
success in higher education,
Yeah.
and it's provides better career opportunities.
Yeah.
It support global communication
Yeah.
and technology.
Yeah.
And learning English is investment for
The
our
future.
future. Yes. And thank you for to our guest Pauline
Yeah.
for joining today in my podcast. And thank you for everyone for listening. And see you in our next podcast. Goodbye.
Bye.